Hi, it's Fran Berger, and I'm shopping for Thanksgiving at Gearys. And look at this beautiful Thanksgiving table I found. Starts off with the gorgeous Haviland Cipollone dishes that we've seen in that beautiful soup tureen before. There it is again, soup or flowers on your table. But the thing that I love about this table is it blends several different brands, and they all come together because you pick one color story. In this case, these are beautiful plates, the salad ones from Bernardo. They actually come in 4 colors, this beautiful plum, a chocolate, a gold, and even a white. And you see how gorgeous this works. You can get any of these singly or as many as you like, or mix and match like we have on this table. The gorgeous flatware from Robbie Birking. Great thing about this flatware, it comes either silver plate or sterling silver, and beautiful goblets from St. Louis. I love the gold rim, very hard to find, but they have them here at Gearys. And what a great light for your table. Also St. Louis comes in 3 colors, this beautiful amber, a clear, and a frosted white. They're rechargeable, and watch this. They go off in 5 different light levels. I love it, throws a beautiful pattern on your table. You could even use them outside if you want. What a beautiful Thanksgiving table, and a great way to have Thanksgiving this year.